Hello students, in this video we will discuss the life cycle of a angiosperm. Now you can see a angiospermic plant having leaves and flower. These leaves is having reticular venation. In the flower there are two structures present, one is anther and one is a pistil. Pistil contains three parts, stigma, style and ovary, and the male sex organ is anther, and anther has two parts, anther and a filament. Now in anther contains microsporangium, and in microsporangium one of a microspore mother cells divide with the help of meiosis, and this meiosis converts into four haploid spores. These four haploid spores are called microspores, and these microspores developed into pollen grain or microspore. The pollen grain has two layers. Outer one is exine and inner one is intine. The exine has the hardest protein that is called sporopollenin. अब बात करेंगे फीमेल सेक्स ऑर्गन की. जो फीमेल सेक्स ऑर्गन है that is ovary, and in ovary contains ovules, and ovules the megaspore mother cells divided with the help of meiosis, and four haploid megaspores are formed, and from three of them are degenerated, and one spores develop into embryo sac. This embryo sacs further develop and form a one big cell and 6 small cells inside it, and at the center of it contains two polar nuclei. अब बात करते हैं, we have discussed about it, egg cell, synergids, antipodal cells. So that end is called chalaza and the opposite end towards the egg is called micropylon. अब जब भी जो pollen grain है, when it is received, the pollen grain reaches to the stigma, and after reaching to the stigma it is germinate, and during germination the intine layer extend and form a pollen tube, and this pollen tube contains two male gametes, and these two male gametes reaches towards the micropyle, and one of the male gamete fuses with the egg, and one male gamete fuses with the polar nuclei. During fertilization the synergid cells degenerate, and also these antipodal cells are also degenerated. The syngamy of male gamete and egg cell turn into zygote, and the fertilization of one male gamete with the two polar nuclei form the primary endosperm. This primary endosperm develop into endosperm and provide nutrition to the zygotes during development. This zygote develop into embryo, and embryo develop into sporophyte. So this is the life cycle of a angiosperm. There are some general characteristics of angiosperms. Angiosperms are flowering plants and the most recent and highly evolved plants. The sporophytes are aggregated in flowers in their most striking features. Therefore, angiosperms are called flowering plants. We have discussed about male and female sex organ in previous video. So this is all about angiosperm.